everyone, I'm Kelly Dakota, and today I'm going to talk about the February 2019 starter kit from Perfectly Posh. We have so many great products in this month's kit, starting with BFF. This is everyone's favorite face wash. It's pepperminty, it's exfoliating, but gentle enough for every day. You just need a pea size of this, and everyone who tries it just falls in love. Now we have the new well-adjusted balancing toner. This is the end-all be-all of all toners. After you wash your face, you just apply this to your skin and it helps balance it all out, whether you're oily, dry, somewhere in between, a little bit of both. It's going to balance your skin out. It also has glycolic acid, which is going to help clear impurities and just keep your skin very clean. Lentil extract reduces the size of large pores. And it also has beta-glucan for well-balanced, moisturized skin. You're going to get a great serum and a cream. They're both called Never Grow Up. I don't have the serum to show you, but it's a bottle like this with a little pump on top. They are a great duo to help reduce the signs of aging. They are both jam-packed full of natural ingredients that are just going to work wonders on your fine lines, wrinkles, spots, all of that. You get another face product here called The Ritual. This is an exclusive product just for consultants. It only comes in the starter kit, and it is a detoxifying face mask. It's pink, it smells good, and it just cleans your face. It's your induction into the posh life. Everyone needs a healer stick. This is a skin stick. It is good for chapped noses, chapped lips, boo-boos, scrapes, burns, you name it. The healer is there for you. But wait, there's more. You get a new Beach Blanket So Soapy soap bar. This is a luxurious bar of soap with 4 types of coconut in it for an ultra moisturizing wash. It has twice the fragrance of our regular chunks, and you also get the Beach Blanket hand cream. Our big fat yummy hand creams are the best. You just need a pea size. They're not greasy, and they leave your hands feeling just so soft and smooth. The Beach Blanket scent is a mixture of fruitiness and coconut. So if that is your jam, you get these in the kit. You also get 20 BFF samples and 20 Beach Blanket hand cream samples. So you can start sharing Posh with your friends right away. You get business tools too, like catalogs and just all the information you need to get your business started off right. Oh, I almost forgot. There's an exclusive, big, huge, heart-shaped bath bomb in this kit. I don't have it. It's an exclusive for the month of February. No one has their hands on it yet. And it is this big heart-shaped bath bomb. It smells like Posh Boss. It says, I love me on the wrapper. And that is just a special, delicious, yummy treat for you. So all of this all together only costs $99 plus tax and shipping. If you've liked what you've seen, I urge you to give yourself this gift. Give yourself the gift of a Posh business. At the very least, you get all of this Posh and all of this great pampering just for you, and you deserve that. But you're gonna love your stuff so much, you're gonna tell everybody about it. Because why not? You talk about your favorite restaurants, you talk about your great new pair of shoes, you're going to talk about the products that you love with your friends. And you'll be able to share them very easily with them. Or just keep this big fat yummy hand cream in your purse and offer it to people as you're at work or hanging out with your friends, whatever. You get a free website that is set up in your name, and anyone can shop there. So you have your own online store. And when people shop through your link, you get paid on their orders. You also get cash back on your own orders too. So that is a great way to get started with Posh. I will be here to help you with anything and everything at all, as little or as much as you want to do with this business. I will be your mentor. I will be your guide. It is so much fun, and it's really easy to get started. I work Posh as a full-time business, but I still have so much time to do everything I like to do. Just this morning, I was at the gym and I was on the treadmill listening to some great music, getting my sweat on, and I was on my phone just sending a few of my customers some messages asking how they were liking the samples I had sent them or their recent order, and invited them to an online party that I was throwing. I really love this business because it keeps me connected to so many old friends and new friends. I've rekindled old friendships that have kind of fallen by the wayside. I have met so many great new people that just fill my life up. I've traveled, I've made extra money, I've supported my family. This business is just incredible. And when I joined because I liked the stuff in the kit and I wanted a discount on my future orders. But it has become so much more than that for me, and I would love to help you get started. So all you need to do is go to poshwithkelly.com, click on join, and that starts your sign up process. If you have any questions along the way, just shoot me a message, contact me, email me, text me, whatever you need to do, and I will help you every step of the way. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.